Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make email contact list in Outlook. So do you often send emails to the same group of people? So save yourself time by creating a contact list in Outlook web app. In this tutorial, I'm just going to walk you through the simple steps to create a custom email contact list in Outlook. The first thing that I'd like you to do is to open the Outlook web app at outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in, because that is completely necessary. Now, in the left-hand side panel, you're going to see the people icon. So just go ahead and click on the people icon. This opens the contact hub where you manage your address books. Now, in the left sidebar, you're going to see a couple of options, all contacts and all contact lists. Now select all contact lists. Under here, you have this option that says create a contact list. Now click on create a contact list and a new panel will open. All right, so from here, enter the name of your list here. It could either be project team, family emails, or marketing client, whatever you want it to be. And in this communication bar where it says add email addresses, just start typing names or email addresses. Suggestions from your existing contacts will appear, so just click to add them. You can also manually type new emails and press enter after each one. And you can add both Outlook and non-Outlook email addresses. But if non-Outlook email addresses are not working, just forget about it. Now, once you're done adding contacts, go ahead and click on create. You can add a description here as well. Click on create button at the bottom of the panel and your new contact list will now appear under your contact list. It will appear under here, all contact list. You'll go back to your inbox and click on email, new mail, that's mail. So click on new mail and in the to field, type the name of the contact list. Outlook will auto suggest it. So select the list and all its members will be added to the email. And that's how you create an email contact list in Outlook web app. It's a perfect way to stay organized and save time. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.